Okay, so now that you guys have your grid completed, we need to label this grid. It's going to be numbers across the top and letters down the side, okay? There's a specific way I want you to do this though, okay? We do not put the numbers near the lines because this whole column is 1. All right, so and if you put it too close to this line, it's going to end up confusing you later on. So the way that we're going to do this grid is up here at the top. Okay, you're going to put your 1 and then 2, 3. Okay, you guys see how it's right in the middle? That's how it needs to be. Okay, and so you guys should have 8 boxes that go across the top. All right, now we're going to do our letters. So this first block is A1. So you need to start your A. It goes in the center on the side. Okay, this is block A1. This is block A4. Okay, so this whole row is all A. And then B, C, D, E, and F. Okay? So this is your completed grid. When you guys are finished, flip your page over, write your name on it, and this is period 3A. Okay?